So I got this thing all apart, and so the belt's in good condition. There's a couple of spots where it's kind of getting frayed on the side here, but I'm sure that's not causing any trouble. Otherwise, it seems like it's in perfectly fine condition. The back here seems like it's also in reasonably okay condition. It's still got some grease on it. I'm gonna put more on it before I put it back together, but it doesn't look too worn or too terrible here either. Nothing that would explain that noise. And this also seems to be alright. That pivot point looks like it's got a little wear on it, but again, nothing really terrible here. Not really much grease here, but nothing outrageous. Not too much, debris from cooked lint. There is a little bit of what looks like some cooked lint here, so maybe something's rubbing somewhere. Doesn't seem like it's lint. Otherwise, everything in here looks fine as far as I can tell. Blower spins freely. There's no obvious anything on any of the parts. So this moves back and forth. It seems to move very freely. I mean, this is fine, but this I'm not so certain about. That bolt doesn't seem loose. Doesn't seem like I can easily tighten it, but I'm not sure if this is normal. These two arms here are able to move freely in this direction, not just here, but they actually don't seem to be very secure at all. So I'm wondering if that could be a problem somewhere here. If that could be something that could be fixed by tightening that bolt. Otherwise, let me know if you see anything that's off or if you want to see anything else. I'm happy, of course, to take some more shots, if anything. These are a bit worn. Let me see if I got a flashlight. These are a bit worn. Probably order these and replace them, but again, nothing so egregious that it would suggest where that loud knocking noise is coming from when the unit starts up. But if you have any ideas, let me know.